If you've been with us in the last couple episodes, you'll know that in Central Oregon, we've been absolutely buried in snow over the last week. We got over 2 feet of snow and broke the all-time record for the most snow within a 24-hour period. Since then, we've continued to get dusting after dusting of snow, adding to that base, and as you can see from the snowflakes that are falling from the sky right now, it's not ended yet. Forecast is continuing to call for more snow later this week. Nothing too major, but the fact that more snow is on the way means this snow is not going anywhere, and we're going to continue to add to that overall base. Now, I didn't necessarily have anything in mind for today's episode, but we've got really beautiful weather conditions today, and I wanted to come out and get some footage of the Tacoma against this beautiful black backdrop. If you're not familiar with an inversion, we've got an inversion going on right now in Central Oregon, which basically means that the clouds are pushed down to lower altitude, and it's almost like you're inside of a really cold cloud. I went up to the mountain this weekend to go skiing, and just going up a couple thousand feet, it's blue skies, it's sunny, it was actually kind of warm. But down in town, we've got this inversion going on. It gives a really pretty wintry feel. As you look around at the surroundings, you can see that the trees are all coated in white. Some of that snow, but a good part of it is actually just ice that's frozen onto the pine needles on the trees. It gives really beautiful appearance. Visibility is usually not too good with inversion, so you can't see too far off into the distance. It's not a really heavy inversion right at the moment, but that seems to vary throughout the day. I really love the way that the black Tacoma pops against the snow, and especially with this inversion, it just adds another element to that overall look. Now, if you guys watched the video that I posted last, the Tacoma got stuck in a pretty pathetic situation. It was quite flat, a little bit warmer than it is right now. Right now we're at about 15 degrees, single digits overnight last night. So the snow is really cold, it's really dry. When I was clearing off the snow from the vehicle this morning, actually, you could just see all of the intricate details of the snowflakes. It was really pretty. Blew on the window and just kind of exploded in a powder of cotton. So it's really cool snow right now. Makes it not quite as slick as what we had the other day when we got stuck. But despite that, you can see right here in this flat area, when I was turning the truck around, I actually had a little bit of a struggle there. So we're not going to venture off again too far just to be safe till we get a new set of tires. Well, the narrow width of this road is definitely a challenge, as you just saw right there. Not a lot of spots that you can pull over and get the vehicle out of the way, and so that F-150 was nice enough to back up about a quarter mile down the road until he could get to a location that he could pull off to the side fairly easily for me. I tried to pull off for just a moment when I first met paths with him, and I just knew I was going to get stuck if I tried to go off too far. There was nowhere nearby for me to back up to, and so thankfully he was willing to do that so we get past him. That is one of the challenges of being out on a deep, powdery road like this, is on the rare possibility of encountering somebody else. That certainly is an issue, trying to get past each other. So now I'm trying to be much more attentive to the pullouts that I'm seeing as I go, so that I have an idea if I come in contact with another vehicle, know what my options are as far as backing up and moving off to the side. One of my favorite things about driving on the snow is the soft muffled sound that it makes. I just love the crunch of snow under the tires and how it just kind of puts a nice quiet damper on everything about the driving experience. I know for a lot of people that driving on snowy and icy roads can be very stressful, it can create a lot of anxiety, and certainly it can be dangerous going over mountain passes, and if other vehicles are out of control, or if you have a vehicle that doesn't handle very well. But despite all of that, I just love the nice, quiet, relaxing feel that you get from driving down a snowy road. So that's it for today's episode. I know there wasn't much of a plot to it, but it's so beautiful outside and I wanted to get out for a drive, so I figured why not bring you guys along with me. I know I've been promising to get better footage of the Tacoma, and I'm still committed to doing that. Just need to get one of my friends to come with me, or hopefully even better, get out with Matt in his 2017 SR5 and bring my 2016 TRD off-road, get some footage of both trucks in action. Look forward to that in the near future. Good thing is that the snow's not going anywhere anytime soon, and so there should be plenty of opportunity to get more video. For more videos of the 3rd generation Tacoma, subscribe to my channel. In the meantime, thanks for watching.